We're going to do a demonstration using a Harper Scientific cleaner, SonicWash. SonicWash is designed for water-based inks. For this demonstration, we will use a small ultrasonic tank designed for proofer Anilox rolls. On the mixing ratio for this tank, it is 8:1, and this depends on the ink system. And it's 8 parts water to 1 part cleaner. The water is already in the tank. I'm now going to put the chemical ratio mixture into the tank. Next step, take your Anilox roller, position it down into the tank. Move the roller back and forth to keep it in rotation. We recommend a minimum of 20 minutes of soak time. Once this time has elapsed, turn the sonic blast on. Keep the roller in rotation. We recommend no longer than 3 minutes of sonic blast time. Once this time has elapsed, you can apply more soak time, and if necessary, more sonic blast time. Once the roller is clean, you take it out of the tank and neutralize it using water. Alcohol can also be used if it's within your area regulations. Using a lint-free rag or cloth, you want to completely dry the Anilox roller. Make sure it has no water spots or streaks. Once this process is complete, your Anilox roller is ready for next use or storage.